coaching thought for the day. Yesterday I shared one idea from Brene Brown's book, Dare to Lead, and today I said I was going to share a second. So the second idea that I took away from that book was she talks about, in conversations with people that she works with, she will ask them to paint a picture of something. So whenever they talk about something, they think they're both understanding things clearly. She says, okay, paint a picture of what that will look like. I have found that is essential in coaching teachers. When they say to me that they want to do a Socratic seminar or a choice board or blended learning or something like that in their classrooms, I have found that it's really important for me to say, great, that sounds awesome. Explain to me for you exactly what that looks like, because sometimes different people might think different things whenever they hear those terms. So for me, that has been a lifesaver in asking teachers to essentially do what Brene Brown talks about and paint a picture of whatever it is. Because back to what she said before, clear is kind. If we aren't clear on what that teacher is wanting to do or what they're expecting or, what the lesson is going to look like, whatever it is, then we are not going to be successful as coaches. So remember from yesterday, clear is kind. And from today, make sure that we paint a picture with teachers. Be clear on the expectations of what they are going to do in the work together, what you are going to do in the work together, what the final product is going to look like. All of those things, make sure that you paint a very clear picture in all the work that we do with teachers.